Ang sining ay isang ekspresyon ng sariling pananaw, refleksyon ng emosyon at pagpapahayag ng sariling opinyon at saloobin. Kaya sa ika-46 na anibersaryo ng Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ang Pilipinas sa pagtutulungan ng Department of Foreign Affairs at ng National Commission for Culture and the Arts ay naglungsad ng ASEAN Philippines Painting Contest na may temang Our Future Together at kasalukuyang naka-exhibit sa Shangri-La Mall.
Every year we celebrate ASEAN Day. ASEAN Day is celebrated August 8, and it's important to actually bring ASEAN to the people. And one way of actually increasing awareness is through cultural activities. So this is one of the activities that was undertaken in celebration of this year's anniversary of ASEAN. There were almost about less than 60 participants who actually participated in this painting contest from all walks of life. They came up with a lot of creative artworks. They actually also chose and dubbed it with the chairmanship's theme of Our People, Our Future Together. And we felt that it was important for us to align with the chairman's theme because it is true that the future of ASEAN relies on its people. And it's important to have people on board in terms of understanding what ASEAN is doing and what it hopes to achieve and how they can contribute to it.
Sa paligsahan ng mga malikhaing kaisipan, nangibabaw si Christian Joy Trinidad sa kanyang likhaing Fast to the Future.
Nakita ko siya sa Facebook, shinare siya ni Sir Buds Convocars. And then nakita ko siya, then pinag-aralan ko yung team, gumawa ko ng mga study, and then ayun na, unti-unti lang. Hindi ko naman siya ginawa ng isang buo kagad eh. Artwork represent the Philippines eh. About culture and yung mga ipagmamalaki ng Pilipinas. Na to, luksong baka na trademark ng Pilipinas. Luksong baka. And then these symbols represent the Mascara Festival. Mascara Festival and the Philippine Eagle. Kumbaga, nire-raise niya ng high. Kumbaga, tinutulak niya ng high yung para marating yung brighter future ng bawat Pilipino. At sila yon. Ito nga yung mga ano natin na kababayan natin, nagre-represent na gumagawa sila ng airplane. At yun nga, para matupad yung mga plano nila sa buhay.
Para sa mga gustong makita ang mga sining ng mga nanalo, bukas ang exhibit hanggang sa ika-16 ng Agosto at pwede itong makita sa pangkaraniwang oras na operasyon ng mall.